See? Hi. Hello. Can we check in? Yes. I will need your passport. Passport, sir. Welcome to the hotel. And this is our key. So this is our hotel. Hindi kita. Ba't hindi kita? Catalonia Hotels and Resorts. 707. 707. So our room would be 707. Oh, they have their gym here.
Smells good.
Smells good.
They have a spa. I don't.
Oh, wow, they have spa. Seven zero six 707. This would be our room. Paano ba? Ganun. Ta-da! So when you enter, they have this. Oh, they have fridge. It's full. The dark.
Cooler.
Hindi ata kasha yung water natin dito. This cabinet. The other side.
We have chocolate.
And what else? Oh, the restroom is here. The sink is just here. Oh, they have the rain shower. And the toilet is separate. Nice. Separate. Ah, nice color. Red. The toilet. The shower with the shower head. And the sink is just outside. There's like a couch. Oh, we have a king size bed. And the most important thing is, we'll check the view. Saan yung view natin? Oh, we're on the side. Sabi dito daw.
Wow.
I really thought like we are really like across the square. But it's okay. We still have the view. And we have the view. It's getting dark. We'll just have good morning tomorrow. Good night, Barcelona. We'll check our breakfast tomorrow. We'll be here for 3 nights. Good morning, Barcelona. You cannot really see because they have this thing. Morning, Barcelona. And now we're going to check the Spanish breakfasts. Let's see how Spanish breakfast looks like. Spanish, right? Kasi nasa Spain. OOTD. Parang ano to, no? Parang function room nila, no? It's like a function room and they have breakfast here. The sausage, one. Different sausage. Like a tomato. Oh, thank you. It's okay. That's it. It's a lot.
Hello.
And this is what I got. It's with heart of the one. Breakfast. I'm going to get a freshly squeezed orange juice. Feel again. So good. How's your breakfast? So, good morning, Barcelona. Good morning. So today is our third day here in Barcelona. Hi, Sittard. So today is our third day and our second day it's our second time to eat breakfast, and we'll see if there's a difference under breakfast. Tomorrow we can still have breakfast, but probably we'll just have our breakfast in the airport because we're going there early, right, sweetheart? So let's check their breakfast. Sweetheart got this. So breakfast is still the same. But we got an omelette. Oh, thank you. Okay? Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Got an omelette, of course. The freshly squeezed orange juice. And with mine, I only like this kind of sausage. They have 3 different sausages, so I only get this one. I have the pancake with Nutella. Alright. And they're putting this for tonight. Maybe because it's our last night. So that it's our last night, they're putting this here. It says Dolces Sueños, Sweet Dreams, Burrives, Sueño Dolcos, Sur Torme. Ano? Sobe Torme. Nice. And the bed is ready. They had this. It's the turn down service. Good night. Tonight is our last night here in Barcelona. Good night.